February 9th, practice problem 2 for the circle standard. This time, we're given a circle, and because the line goes all the way across through the center, they've given us the diameter. So when I come down here to fill this in, I can immediately fill in 9.4 feet for my diameter. Understand that a radius goes from the center out. So the radius is half the length across the circle. To find the radius, I'm going to take the diameter and divide it by 2. So I'm going to take 9.4 and divide it by 2. And something that hasn't really been stressed a lot this year is the use of a calculator. By all means, there's tremendous value in doing things without a calculator. However, where we are in our mathematics, our calculator should be a tool to solidify correct answers. So even though I can take 9.4 and divide it by 2, and I can do that long division or potentially in my head, there's no reason to make mistakes on things like this. So 9.4 divided by 2 is 4.7 feet. Okay, so we have our radius and our diameter. Circumference is either 2 pi r or it's pi times d. Reason? We just got done saying that diameter is double the radius. So if you look at 2r, 2r is double the radius. So both of these formulas are equivalent. And we're rounding everything to the nearest hundredth. So I'm going to go pi times the diameter. And the reason why I'm using the diameter is only because the diameter was given to me. There is a very, very small chance that this is wrong. This is guaranteed to be right because it's given to me in the question. But it's not that big of a deal. And again, I'm going to now go back to my calculator, and I'm going to type 9.4 times pi. So 9.4 times, and on this calculator, pi is the blue symbol where my finger's pointing to. So because it's blue on my calculator, I have to hit the shift button, which is the second button here. If I hit the second button, now it's going to give me the blue symbols. 9.4 times pi. And my answer, I'm rounding to the nearest hundredth. Remember, the nearest hundredth is 2 decimal places. The one behind that is a 0, so it's definitely 29.5. 29.53. Remember, circumference is the perimeter of a circle, the distance around a circle. So it's linear feet. Area. Area is pi r squared. So our radius is 4.7, so pi times 4.7 squared. And reason why we always harp on order of operations, you do not multiply pi by 4.7 first. You use exponents first. So I'm going to go 4.7 squared, get an answer. And then take that answer, 22.09, and times it by pi. Times pi. And now I have to round. Again, 69.39. But if you notice, 69.39, the 7 behind it rounds that 9 up, so it's 69.40. My answer, 69.40, and this is an area, so it's square feet. Okay, that's the practice problem for today.